Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here we are shopping at Burlington, and this is a shop with me with the Grace Life DIY home decor. Myself, Deborah Cabassa, home living at home with Lisa, Miriam Designer Corners, Debbie Bubbles, Decorate with Us, and Eman Designs. So I'm just looking around, see what I can find. I hope you're all doing okay. $14.99. Oh, looking. They got some nice items here. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I thought it was heavy, but it's not. This is it says 17. Oh no, it's 11.99. This is nice though. Yeah, guys. So we're just gonna continue moving along, and let's see. Here we are. We are checking the dishware and the stuff for the kitchen. They have plenty. Look at this, a spoon rester, but I'm not interested in that. And they have some nice boards as well, you guys can see. So I was looking at this one. This is a nice one, but then look at the other side. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice, guys. So yeah, they got some nice stuff. I do get a lot of my skincare here, so let's check that out. And also I need a new mascara. So, yep, just looking, guys, just looking. So I decided to bring you along with me. So let's see. And then let's see what they have over here. I also need some face cream, day cream. So this is pretty good. I usually buy a lot of my face stuff here. So I'm going to continue looking, and then I'll bring you guys right back. Here we are at this side of the store. I was looking at this, guys. I was reading and looking at the ingredients, and I think it has some good ingredients. So, and the best thing I like is cruelty free. So I'm going to give this a try. So let's continue looking. And I don't know if I mentioned that also this collaboration, we have the Grace Life DIY home decor. So yeah, what is this? This is floral Tuscany orange shower gel. I don't know. And this is made in Italy, Tuscany orange. Oh Lord, no, I think I like this one. So yeah, guys, there are some very nice items here. So all right, guys, I will see you in the next one. Well, guys, here I am. I just left Burlington. You can guys see because the tree is covering the sign. So now, Michael is down there, and then behind me I have TJ Maxx. So we're gonna stop by the store. Hi guys, I am so glad you are shopping with me, guys. So anyways, just in case I didn't got everybody there is collaborating with us. Let me repeat the names. The names are the Grace Life DIY Home Decor from myself, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, At Home with Lisa, Debbie Bubbles, Design with Emma, Miriam Created Corners, and Decorate with Us. So guys, I'm going to keep you right here with me, and um, I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx, which is behind me, and let's see what we can find. And then when I finish shopping, I'm going to reveal my haul right here in the car. Why not? We're going to do a car haul. Yep, we're going to do that. All right, guys, let's continue shopping. Guys, here we are. There we are. We're gonna go in there and let's see what we can find. Here we are. They got a lot of stuff on clearance, guys. A lot of stuff on clearance. But I don't see anything that I am interested in. Oh, looky how cute. This is so cute. Now, this we're talking. $10. You get the spoon, the cup, and the saucer. I don't know if I want to do that. Even though I love my tea. Oh, guys, this is so beautiful. Look at this. Comes with the spoon, the saucer. This one is also $10. So they got some nice items, guys. They got some beautiful items here. Oh, that one is loose. This one is $4.50, and it's probably because it's missing the spoon. Yep, I think that's what it is. Yeah, guys. So let's see. Let's move. Let's move. See what they have back here. This is Ray Dunn, and these are $8. But I don't need that right now, so we are going to continue looking. So I'm going to be moving to another part of the store because I believe they are doing inventory. So, and I'm on the way. So let's continue shopping. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you. I went to two stores and I bought two items for each store. So I bought a face cream, and I believe this one is from TJ Maxx. It helps you with some damage, puffy eyes, dark circles, and dry skin. So, you know, summer's here, the sun is beating strong, so we gotta protect our skin. So this is one of the creams that I guess it's right there. And it contains it says erase the past and illuminate the future with lactic acid and vitamin A. So we're going to be using that. And also I bought some from TJ Maxx as well. I bought myself some coffee syrup, thin hazelnut, 0 sugar, 0 calories. So yep. And I love my coffee in the summer iced coffee. It's very rare that I drink a half coffee. And also from Burlington, I bought Spot Cryptions Collagen Hydrating Body Wash, Refresh, Rejuvenate, Replacement with CoQ10 and avocado. So there's other benefits, and it was only $6.99. And of course, you guys know that I love cooking, and when you're cooking, you're always standing. So I bought myself a new kitchen mat, even though I have one, but I keep it in front of the sink. But this one is going to be for in front of the stove. So this one said the kitchen is the heart of the home. And to me, that is true, guys. That is true. And I only paid $13.99 from it. So guys, this concludes my video. Now I'm going to be going to the Goodwill. I don't know if I'm going to record over there, and I'm gonna see if I stop at the Salvation Army. If I record, that will be a separate video. So let me come over here and leave it like I always say, guys. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye, guys.